Now they call this the earthquake chair. Certainly not an easy thing to do, let alone on an aim map where holding onto your mouse is so vital. Now, this is difficult.
There we go, the chair has been started, and it's HS who is victim once again. Now, he emerged victorious in the last game up against Dynasty's player.
Start the chair!
They defeated Dynasty early on, and there we go. The earthquake chair powers down.
Starting with the CO2. And what we see there is the players just playing in their seats, having fun, trying to win, and they get sprayed!
And the CO2, a dangerous combination. The open challenge, yet another CO2 blast in between the rounds.
Gonzalez going to try and do it here. The Sonic Boom is going to be let off to maybe try and hinder the terrorist Flipside side. Vilga and Antika both fall to their deaths as it all kicks off outside here on Train.
Wow.